This next pair is currently ranked 6th in the nation in senior pairs. Please now welcome Tiffany Vise and Donny Baldwin.
Never knew I could feel like this, like I've never seen the sky before. Want to vanish inside your kiss. Every day I love you more and more. Listen to my heart. Telling me to give you everything. Seasons may change, winter to spring, but I love you until the end of time. Such a perfect place. Come on,
They really are remarkable, aren't they? Donny Baldwin and Tiffany Vise. What a season our next performers had, placing 5th in a short program at the U.S. Figure Skating Championships and 10th overall. It is his all-time best.